What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Vechain. As similar to Solana, it's looking ready for a big breakout. So we're sitting at 0.04 cent Vechain. Wow, what a discount. We're down about 6% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 2.97 billion. 24-hour volume, 332 million. So a little bit of news, but if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So Vechain announces $550,000 giveaway as firm sets launch date for its VUSD stablecoin. So Vechain is launching a stablecoin. We are excited to unveil the launch date of Vechain's first stablecoin, VUSD. To celebrate, we are planning some special events for the community, including a $500,000 airdrop for X nodes and $50K in minting bonuses. So according to a recent announcement, the much anticipated public minting portal for VUSD will be launched on Monday, March 14th. An initiative that will usher in a new era for the Layer 1 blockchain platform. So we're just going to read this a little bit here. So the launch of VUSD marks a special moment for us, helping kickstart new objectives for the year and enhancing our capabilities in the enterprise, sustainability, carbon, and financial fields. It also noted that its stablecoin development is in preparation for many exciting use cases to come to enable the company to meet clients' demands in the future. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the launch of Vechain's own stablecoin. So we're going to hop over to the analysis. So similar with Solana, guys, and I'm sure many coins in the market, we're creating a lower low, higher low on the daily RSI. Bullish divergence signifying that the bears are running out of strength on the daily, which can lead to a huge breakout. You can see we're creating higher lows on the MACD as well. Just as we did right here, guys, we're creating lower lows, higher lows on the MACD. Massive breakout back to the upside. If we look at the last time we had a bullish divergence on the daily for Vechain on the RSI was back in September, October of 2020, guys. You can see we're creating lower lows. We're creating higher lows on the RSI as well as the money flow. And we saw an absolutely massive pump for Vechain. If we take a measurement from the bottom all the way to the top, we're talking about a 2,500% climb. So once again, we are seeing that bullish divergence. So not financial advice, but if you're looking to buy the dip here, for Vechain, beautiful opportunity in my opinion. We've started to break out of this descending channel here. As you can see, we broke out. We're back testing it as support. Looks like we may be putting in a beautiful double bottom. You can see here we created a bottom. We've created a second bottom. So if we hold this level, guys, we start to push up and we can break this neckline. We could see a beautiful breakout for our friend Vet. Take it from the bottom of the pattern. I'm just going to take it from the structural support, take it to the point of breakout, can take you all the way back up above the 0.5 to about 0.066. So from the neckline, that could be a juicy little breakout of about 21% for Vechain. With our dollar cost average strategy, we've had 3 entries. Honestly, I'm probably going to add some more Vechain to bring my break even down at 0.044. There's support in this area. We've created a strong level of support. Really not much support back here. If we scroll back, it was a previous level of resistance. My next buy zone was down here at about 0.035, so that will remain the same. But if you're looking to add to your Vechain position and your dollar cost averaging, 0.044 is a good entry to bring down your break even. We've had 3 entries with our break even sitting at 0.068. We have a little bit of a symmetrical wedge going on right now. So if we can bounce and we can break out, what you can do is measure the body, take it to the point of breakout, and it would take Vet all the way up to our second entry at 0.070. If it does break down, always a possibility, we'll take you all the way down to about 0.031, which is below this next buy zone. But I don't think that's the likely scenario. We may see a little bit of drop off just to liquidate some of the long positions, a bit of a bear trap. And a lot of people will start to go short and then they'll push the price right back up. But our next strong level of support is coming in at 0.035. That's about it for Vechain. Just watch that bullish divergence on the daily. That is an early indication that we will see a large push back to the upside, as well as the MACD. Can take time to play out, but if you're looking to add to your Vechain bags, not financial advice, but this is an incredible discount in my opinion. If we look at the weekly time frame, you can see here on the weekly, let me just quickly take out the line here, that we are all the way back down to the bottom section on the money flow, as well as the RSI is quite low, and the MACD. The last time we were this low on our indicators, guys, was this massive pump, October, September of 2020. and that was just an absolutely huge push to the upside of about 2,500%. If we take a wow, actually about almost 3,000, guys. So once again, our indicators are at the same level they were just before this huge pump, and we did have that bullish divergence on the daily, as I showed you guys, during September, October of 2020, and right now again we're seeing that bullish divergence. So not financial advice, but we could definitely see a large breakout to the upside. The major level of support we want to hold is 0.040. If we lose that, guys, we can come all the way down to these swing highs at about 0.031. So that's it for Vechain. Lots of bullish indicators here for a breakout back to the upside. I think we just have to be a little bit patient, in my opinion. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 1,800 members talking all things crypto. We're posting chart patterns as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and buy and take profit zones, which are updated regularly if you're looking to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions, or you're looking for entries and exits based off support resistance Fibonacci 350 USD. You really can't beat it, excuse me. And if you'd like to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can follow me on IG to keep up with my travels, currently in Accra, Ghana. Loving it so far, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.